Tired of bulky smartwatches that hold you back? Craving a sleek, powerful companion that elevates your everyday? Introducing the new GPS smartwatch GT4 Pro, the ultimate fusion of cutting-edge technology and timeless design. Built for the modern man on the go, the GT4 Pro seamlessly integrates into your active lifestyle. Boasting a stunning 360 degrees HT screen that rivals reality, it's not just a timepiece, it's a statement. Display and design. Unleash the visual feast. Witness the unparalleled clarity and vibrancy of the 360 degrees HT screen with every tap and swipe. Express your style. Choose from a diverse selection of customizable watch faces to match your mood and outfit. Built to last, crafted with premium materials and meticulous attention to detail, the GT4 Pro exudes sophistication and resilience. GPS and fitness tracking. Chart your course, unleash your inner explorer with built-in GPS that accurately tracks your every step, run, and ride. Train smarter, not harder. Multiple sports modes cater to your specific workout needs, providing detailed data to optimize your performance. Conquer every challenge. From mountain climbs to marathons, the GT4 Pro is your ultimate training companion. Health monitoring. Listen to your body. Stay in tune with your health with advanced sensors that monitor your heart rate, blood sugar, and sleep patterns. Gain valuable insights. Receive personalized health reports to understand your body better and make informed decisions. Live a healthier life. The GT4 Pro empowers you to take control of your well-being, one step at a time. Smart features. Stay connected effortlessly. Make and receive crystal clear calls right from your wrist, thanks to built-in Bluetooth calling. Tap and pay with ease. Leave your wallet at home and enjoy the convenience of NFC payments. Pump up the tunes. Control your music playback directly from the watch and keep the beat wherever you go. Never miss a beat. Stay informed with smart notifications for calls, texts, and app updates. Your voice is your command. Utilize the built-in voice assistant to get things done hands-free. Battery life and durability. Power through your day. Enjoy extended battery life that keeps up with your active lifestyle. Built to withstand the elements, the IP68 waterproof rating makes the GT4 Pro your fearless companion in any weather. Real-world usage and benefits. The fitness enthusiast or track your workouts with precision, analyze your performance, and reach your fitness goals with the GT4 Pro by your side. The busy professional, manage your day seamlessly with smart notifications, calls on the go, and contactless payments, all on your wrist. The health-conscious individual, gain valuable insights into your health with advanced monitoring features and personalized reports. The new GPS smartwatch GT4 Pro is more than just a watch. It's a statement of style, performance, and well-being. It's your trusted companion on every adventure, your silent motivator on the path to success, and your key to unlocking a healthier, more connected you. Don't settle for anything less. Elevate your everyday with the new GPS smartwatch GT4 Pro. Order yours today and experience the future of smart living.